Hi there, welcome to the course. We're going to create viral AI video using ChatGPT for making money with affiliate marketing. I'm Piyush Kumar Shah, your guide on this exciting adventure into the world of AI-powered content. First off, let me say congratulations. You have just taken the first step toward creating viral content. In this program, I will walk you through everything you need to know to create content that grab attention, generate leads, and make sales. Later on, I'll show you how to take it to the next level, like outsourcing tasks to virtual assistants, or if you are feeling fancy, letting AI do the heavy lifting for you. They're basically the coworkers you never knew you needed. In the beginning, you'll do everything yourself. Yes, it sounds daunting, but hey, think of it as a character building. Plus, who knows? You might actually have fun with it. I made tons of AI powered videos that went viral, and all I did was sit back and let technology work its magic. Here's the kicker, you don't need to a huge following to start. Nope. Even if your profile is as empty as your feed the day before pairing, you can still make this work. Just post daily and you will start seeing results within a month or two. Let's get started and I will see you in the next video.